If you're a building owner or a property manager, you'll know that buildings can be very inefficient and expensive to run. They're responsible for a massive 40% of global energy consumption and 33% of greenhouse gas emissions. Hi, I'm Sami Mustafa, ESG consultant at Metricus, and in this video we'll explore how businesses can use innovative technology to streamline their operations and reduce costs by up to 30%. If you're interested to find out more about similar topics, like this video and subscribe. There are a bunch of initiatives that you can take to reduce property costs and improve your carbon emissions, but I'm going to cover the three that will have the biggest impact: occupancy monitoring, energy monitoring, and predictive maintenance. These solutions are not only cost effective, but they also drive building efficiency and make your workplace more sustainable. So let's dive in and see how these technologies can bring big value to your business. Number one, occupancy monitoring. Have you ever wondered how much of your office space is actually being used? With occupancy monitoring, you can gather real-time data about your building's usage and optimize the space for maximum efficiency. Using smart sensors, this technology provides accurate information that takes away the guesswork and gives facility management teams a complete overview of space utilization. By analyzing historical patterns, you can forecast future growth and ensure your occupancy levels remain optimal. This is a cost-effective solution that can save businesses around the world a whopping $1.5 trillion in reduced rental costs by avoiding wasted office space. So if you're looking to make the most out of your workspace, occupancy monitoring is the way to go. Number two, energy monitoring. On a typical day, office space is underutilized by 30 to 40%, resulting in unnecessary energy waste. Energy monitoring provides a quick and effective solution to this problem. By providing a complete picture of your energy usage, companies can take steps to reduce consumption and save money. Once energy meters are installed, you can monitor usage trends from individual devices, floors, or even an entire building. This technology offers real-time and historic data on consumption, giving you a granular understanding of your energy usage. By developing action plans to improve efficiency, energy monitoring solutions can reduce consumption by 20 to 30%, leading to annual savings of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on the size of your business. And finally, predictive maintenance. If you have to deal with equipment failures and unscheduled downtime, you'll know the negative impact it can have. Predictive maintenance is a very effective type of condition-based maintenance that uses sensors to monitor the condition of your assets, predicting when they will require maintenance. A robust predictive maintenance program can reduce breakdowns by 70%, reduce downtime by 35 to 45%, and cut maintenance costs by 25 to 30%. All of this tech exists and when used together can have big impacts for your bottom line. If you want to find out more, subscribe to this channel or reach out to one of our experts to discover how to integrate technology into your business to improve your workplace.